good afternoon, everyone. So for today, we will be discussing about the Gyrate Atrophy, Zellweger syndrome, and Phenyllketonuria. Next slide. So sa picture, ano yung papansin nyo? Anong part na lang ating mata? Mata. So ayun, dito sa Gyrate Atrophy, ito ay yung tinatawag natin na kung ano yung katarata sa
Cataracts.
ayun, atrophy. Ayun, nakakita mo na kayo ng meron ganito. So Gyrate atrophy of the choroid and retina is rare autosomal recessive conditions characterized by elevation of plasma or retin levels due to deficiency of the mitochondrial enzyme or retin aminotransferase. So, next slide. So, sa discovery, ang nag-describe sa kanya ay si Jacobson 12 noong 1888. And ang nag-ano naman sa kanya, ang nag-recognize naman siya, ang nag-recognize dito ay si Kepler 13 noong 1895 and si Patch 40 noong 1896. Then, ang symptoms naman po ay nearsightedness or myopia, difficulty seeing, low light or night blindness, and loss of sight or peripheral visions. So many people with their Gyrate atrophy also develop clouding of lens of the eye or cataracts. Yung nandun po sa picture kanina, nakita niyo naman po yun. Then this progressive vision changes lead to blindness about the age of 50. So pag nakalagay naman doon, So Gyrate atrophy is due to various mutations in the gene which is found on chromosome 10q26. So inheritance is autosomal recessive. More than 50 variants have been identified with messenger mutation occurring most frequently. So ayun, sa treatment naman niya, yung sakit daw na, meron daw na gantong Gyrate atrophy ay nagdadik siya ng vitamin B6. So ayan, Zellweger syndrome. So, sumalagay niya ano tong picture na? Brain. Bakit may ganun yan yung brain?
Ano?
Pinatagal yung ay.
Tapos ito yung merong sakit na Zellweger syndrome or yung ZS. So ano napapansin niyo sa kanyang itsura?
Malaki yung ulo.
Malaki yung ko. Pag ganun siya, parang
Malaki yung utak niya.
Kasi iba yung shape ng kanya. So, Zellweger syndrome or ZS is a genetic disorder found in newborn babies. Ayan ang mga sa mga newborn babies. Then, Zellweger syndrome is the most severe of the four disorders. In the Zellweger spectrum, it causes serious problems with nerves and metabolisms or changing food into energy soon as birth. So, Zellweger syndrome affects the brain, liver, and kidneys. And it also harms important functions throughout the body. Another term for Zellweger syndrome is So the condition is usually fatal. molecular and biochemical understanding of these disorders improved, it became apparent that they represented variants of one disorder, and some researchers started using the term Zellweger spectrum disorder to describe these disorders. So, ayan, symptoms ng Zellweger syndrome usually appear soon after birth. Facial abnormalities common in Zellweger syndrome include the first broad nose bridge. Ito, makikita naman natin dyan sa picture. Plus, epicanthal folds or skin folds at the inner corners of the eyes. So, flattened face, nakikita din natin yung pag-aan ng flattened face niya. Tapos, high forehead, binabanggit ni Miss Paula kanina. Tapos, underdeveloped eyebrow, ridges, and wide set eyes. So, another symptoms na niya ay include itong mga difficulty feeding, enlarged liver or slim, gastrointestinal or digestive tract bleeding, hearing and vision problems, jaundice, tama ba? Jaundice. Or yellow skin and eyes due to liver dysfunctions, seizures, and underdeveloped muscles and movement problems. So, Zellweger syndrome is a rare genetic disorder. It causes serious health problems in babies soon after birth. The disorder can affect kidney, liver, and brain function. So, children with Zellweger syndrome rarely live past the first year of life. So, wala bang cure yung Zellweger syndrome, nor is there a standard course of treatment. So, since metabolic and neurological abnormalities that cause the symptoms, Zellweger syndrome are Zellweger syndrome are caused during fetal development. Treatments for abnormalities after birth are listed. Ay, ito po yung and next po natin ay Phenyllketonuria or PKU. Ayan. So, ayun naman yung may sakit na PKU or yung Phenyllketonuria. So, ano yung napapansin niyo sa kanila? Yung laging naman na. Mandolin. Oo. Dito sa pangalawa, walang mata. Ayan. Yung size niya, walang pila. Oo. Tapos ito. Yan, Phenyllketonuria is a rare inherited disorder that causes an amino acid called phenylalanine to build up in the body. So, Phenyllketonuria is caused by a change in the phenylalanine hydroxylase or PAH gene. This gene creates the enzyme needed to break down phenylalanine.
Ano yun?
So, ito naman si Dr. Abjorn Colling, ang nag-describe ng Phenyllketonuria noong 1934. So, Abjorn Colling, a Norwegian biochemist and physicians, first published the symptoms of Phenyllketonuria or yung PKU as a cause of mental retardation in 1934. So, moreover, this study reported a Phenyllketonuria. Phenyllketonuria does not usually cause any symptoms of treatment is started early. So without treatment, phenyllketonuria can damage the brain and nervous system, which can lead to learning disabilities. So other symptoms of untreated PKU include the first behavioral difficulties such as frequent temper tantrums and episodes of self-harm. Failure skin, hair, and eyes that siblings who do not have the conditions or phenylalanine is involved in the body's productions of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin and hair color. Then next is eczema. Then repeatedly being sick, jerky movements in arms and legs, tremors, epilepsy, must smell to the breath, skin, and breathing. So yung phenyllketonuria ay does not shorten life expectancy with or without treatment. So basically, phenyllketonuria need to be at special formula as soon as possible. Children and adults with PKU should eat a low-protein diet. They should avoid high-fruit foods like milk,